everyone, I'm Zoe and welcome back to the LOPO's channel. If you have ever tried making sublimation fretch magnets, you probably know there are so many materials out there. Ceramic, MDF, metal, glass, and they all look and feel totally different. Today, instead of saying which one is better, we are gonna take a closer look at each type, their texture and how the design shows up on them, so you can pick the one that fits your style and projects best. Alright, let's start with the printing progress. What you need is A4 Epson sublimation printer, Prisma Hobby A4 heat press, sublimation paper, sublimation blanks, heat-resistant glue, and heat-resistant tape. Let's see the print results. With glass fretch magnet, you will notice colors pop like crazy. The smooth surface means your image gets super sharp, ultra clear and high gloss. Ceramic one give you a classic witty feel and still deliver vibrant colors and crisp details. It's a nice balance of premium and practical. With MDF fretch magnet, you will still get well prints, but the finish is more matte, so it looks like a little bit more toned down than glass or ceramic. Metal fretch magnets give you clean prints, and the colors look sharp without being too glossy. Alright, now let's talk about the texture. If you love the premium glossy vibe, the glass magnets are your top choices. They are cool to touch and have that sleek, classy vibe that absolutely catches the eyes. Great for those moments when you want your gifts to impress. Ceramic magnets have smooth, elegant surface that instantly feels premium. They are ideal for any projects where you want that classy vibe. MDF magnets have a more matte finishing, perfect for a cozy, handmade aesthetic. Metal fretch magnets have cool, solid feel when you touch them. It's a great choice if you want something that fits modern style. Alright, so there is no right answer here. It really depends on the look and the feel you are looking for. Whether it's a glossy pop of glass, the classic charm of ceramic, the sleek finish of metal, or the warm, handmade vibe of MDF. Each one has its own charm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more about sublimation, and let me know in the comments which fretch magnet material would you choose for your next project. I'd like to hear your opinion. See you in the next video!